Friends, welcome to English Lesson 2 Part 5. Our goal is for you to learn fluent English in our My English class. So friends, we'll move to our next slide to start our session today. Friends, in English Lesson 2 Part 5, we are going to study Rule 27 and Rule 28. Rule 27 says, Rule 27 says as follows. As follows is always used in singular number. Therefore, we can never say as follow. Example Rule 27 are as under. The conditions are as follows. The details of case are as follows. The account of expenditure is as follows. The main points are as follows. So friends, here instead of as follow, always we have to follow as follows. We have to use as follows. Keep in mind. This Rule 27 says you must use as follows and not as follow. So now we move to our rule 28, not only but, not only but, न केवल लेकिन. If two subjects are connected by not only but, the verb should agree in person and number with second subject. यदि दो विषय न केवल but से जुड़े हैं तो क्रिया को व्यक्ति और संख्या में दूसरे विषयों के साथ सहमत होना चाहिए. Following are the examples of rule 28. Not only the teacher but all his students were injured. Example number 2, not only I but all my brothers are worried about me. Example number 3, not only his sons but he himself is a great artist. Example number 4, not only they but you are also to blame. Okay, we studied just now rule 27 and rule 28. Rule 27 as follows and rule 27 about not only but. Okay, we'll move to our next slide. Slide number 3. Rule 29. Here we are going to study about the rule 29. Rule 29, nothing but plus singular, sorry, rule 29, nothing but plus noun singular oblique plural. कुछ नहीं बल्कि संज्ञा एक वचन या बहुवचन. Some sentences begin with nothing but and after his phrase a singular or plural noun comes. In such cases, singular verb is used always whether the noun following is a singular or plural. The reason is that its subject is nothing which is always singular. So friends, the examples of Rule 29 are as under. Nothing but blue waters was seen. Nothing but smoke was there. Example number 3, nothing but ceaseless toil was his lot. Example number 4, nothing but hills is seen everywhere. So here we cannot quantify the subject. That's why a singular noun is used here. In example number 1 was, example number 2 was, example number 3 uh, was, and example number 4 is. So now we move to our next slide, slide number 4. Friends, here we are going to study rule 30. Rule 30 is about there is oblique there are. वहाँ है, वहाँ है. In sentences beginning with there, the verb is or are is used according to the number of noun coming after the verb. वहां से शुरू होने वाले वाक्यों में क्रिया के बाद आने वाली संज्ञा की संख्या के अनुसार क्रिया होती है, क्रियापद अ, होती है. Examples rule 30 are given below. There is a book on the table. Here the book, a single book is there on the table. That's why is used here. There are some books on the table. There are more than one books are lying on the table. That's why are verb is used here. Example number 3, there are many chairs in the room. How many chairs? It's not a single chair, but many chairs are kept in the room. That's why are is used here. There is a chair in the room. In a room, there is only one chair is there. That's why is used here. Explanation. Here one explanation is there. In the sentences given above, in sentences 1 and 4, the noun book and the chair are singular. Hence the verb is singular form. And in sentences second and third, the nouns books and the chairs are plural. Therefore verb is also in a plural form. I hope you must have understood the rule 30 here with the examples mentioned here. We move to our next slide, slide number 5. So friends, here is an exercise based on the rule 27, 28, 29 and 30 for you all. Correct the following sentences. Here are 1 to 10 sentences given and the verbs are not correct one and you have to correct it according to the rule 27, 28, 29, 30 studied just now. My comments are as follow. As earlier we studied, we must always use as follows and not as follow. That's why here the answer will be my comments are as follows. Now you try other sentences for your understanding about the rule 27, 28, 29 and 30. 2 to 10 sentences are here as exercise for you all and the answers for all these 1 to 10 sentences are given below. You can check with your answers with the answers given here. So you will be able to understand and learn the English language very fast. Thank you. We move to our next slide. So friends, here also in slide 6, the exercise earlier given was is going continued here. Here the 11 to 20 sentences are given and as you studied rule 27, 28, 29 and 30 based on those only, based on those principles and rules only, you have to apply the verbs here. So there are 11 to 20, 10 sentences and the answers are given below for your convenience and checklist. So you please do this exercise on your own and find out your answers with the answers given below for your correct to check the correctness of your answers. Okay, we'll move to our next slide. So friends, here only a sincere request to you all. If you like it, press like button. If you like this educational channel, please subscribe it to receive everyday video and also share this YouTube video with your friends, family friends, nearer and dearer one so that they can also learn English easily and very conveniently according to their time they are having at their at the spare time. Okay, thank you all. Now we are ending our session here and we will move to our next session tomorrow. Thank you all. Thank you.